It's so nice today. You know, I wanna go to vacation. Yeah, me too. Me too. I'm so obsessed. So, ew. Ooh, what is that? Is that a playground? Wow, it's a playground. It's a playground. Yay! Whoa, a car. Let me drive it. Here we go. Wow! Whoa, no. Wow! Whoa, no. Wow! Ah! Yippee! Wow! Ah! Ooh, let me use this bomb. Toy bomb. Whoa, is this a real bomb? Cool. Yeah. Yoo-hoo! Yeah! Oh. Ooh. I want to jump with all of these things, so... Yippee! Wow! Wow! Yeah. I want to spawn some lava. Wow! It's so cool when I see people spawning lava. Ooh, let's go to the next adventure. Oh, Bernie! Yay! I'm so happy when I play in this playground. Whoa! What's that? Wow! Oh no, black hole! Black hole! Hey, the black hole! It's a black hole! Help! I'm in a black hole! Please help me! I'm in a black hole! Help! I'm stuck in the black hole! Yo! This black hole was fun! Yeah! Ciao! What should he do now? Is that a mouse? Come on, mouse, go to me! Mouse, come back, mouse! 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 Oh well. Time to ride this cannon. Boom! Wow! Hey! Let me throw off this junk. Why is there junk in this playground? Whatever it is, I don't know. Whoa! We're having so much fun in this playground. I wish my friends can play. Oh, we're here. Where's my friends? Let's go fun.
When it found, I couldn't shoot that zombie in time.
Yeah.
But suddenly a person, person that hadn't got the gun runs away from that zombie as well, saving me by pushing me. I was shocked by the save.
Everything disappeared. Yo, that's so cool. That's all for this playground, guys. What is happening here?
What the?
Where's everything? Tell us. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like, subscribe. Bye bye. That's all for this video.